Hey Warriors, thanks for tuning in. As always, I am Talaja Malika. At this moment, I want to give praise and honor to my Most High, and I would like to have a moment of silence for each and every individual that sustained life situations that wasn't beneficial to their health. I would like to give a moment of silence to each and every individual and their family because if you survive the storm of whatever tragedy that took place, you are a winner. You won. I know circumstances may be different for each and every individual, and how you handle it may be different. That means emotionally, you may not cope with it as others. But I just want to use my platform, especially with the pandemic and all of the tragedies that occur in the world on a daily basis. I just want to bring light to it from abuse, murder, molestation, child abuse, relationships gone bad, family member issues, human trafficking, everything that you could think of that's not beneficial to one's health. It needs to be addressed, it needs to be brought to light, and it needs to be preyed on. So if I can't do nothing but have a moment of silence, that's what I'm going to use my platform at this exact moment of silence. Thanks. So, in this video, I would like to show you guys how I prepared my infamous stuffed shrimp shells. As always, I use fresh ingredients, meaning that my veggies and stuff are fresh. My shrimp is frozen, but all of the ingredients that I use is good enough to my standards. I don't know if it's good enough to your standards, but if you like it, of course, please try it. Try it, make it, and let me know how it turned out. If you like what you've seen in the video, share it with someone who may enjoy making different dishes to feed your family. This dinner was paired with a garden salad, which I didn't post, but these are what I made for dinner. So this is what you have. This is what you see. This is what you get. So if you have any comments or questions or anything you would like to ask me about this, or even if you cook it and it came out great, share it down below. Get the G out, the refrigerator. G-H-E-E. Out the refrigerator in the drawer. So yes, I will be using G to make my veggies translucent in the frying pan. So if you guys haven't purchased or used G yet, I suggest that you get this in your kitchen. for me?
So in the fall, right? And so, this wow.
Cooking with mommy and now you upset? You upset. She upset and she wants some yum yum. So we had to stop so she could get her yum yum. Hey girl. And this one want the yum yum too probably. You want yum yum too? Zaya. One pan in the oven. One pan in the oven, says Ray. You said what? One more to go. So what we watching, yo? NFL draft, and who got drafted so early in what team? Because they are trash. Cowboys is being drafted with 18? 17? They're not trash. They're so far up. And then what, Ravens is 28? It's 32 teams in the NFL. So that's a good pick between the Ravens and the Cowboys. At least we ain't the Giants getting fourth pick. Or they got third pick. Fourth pick. That mean they trash. And this is the completed. I added more of my cream of mushroom sauce on top. And this one doesn't have any on top, it's just the cheese. Let's get into these pens, honey. Oh, it looks so good, doesn't it? Yes, as always, let me know if you guys attempt to make this easy meal. It's a couple steps because it's fresh ingredients you're cutting up. But listen, it's worth it. The kids demolished this. Because somebody say, demolish. If you watch this video to the end and you see it right now, please comment demolish in the comments. As always, share my video. Give it a thumbs up. Peace, love, and happiness. The aftermath.